Apple's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone, the iPhone SE 5, is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade to the SE lineup. Recent reports confirm multiple improvements, making it a great option for those seeking a powerful yet affordable device. One major change is Apple's decision to discontinue sales of the current iPhone SE and iPhone 14 in Europe to comply with new regulations requiring USB-C ports. These regulations are now in effect, paving the way for the iPhone SE 5, which will feature USB-C connectivity. When it comes to the release date, Apple is expected to launch the iPhone SE 5 in March 2025, most likely in mid-March. This timing aligns perfectly with Apple's usual launch cycles, as it falls about 6 months after the iPhone 16 release and 6 months before the iPhone 17. Pricing is rumored to be around $550, making it an attractive option considering the performance and features it offers. Speaking of hardware, the iPhone SE 5 will boast a 6.06-inch LTPS OLED display with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels and 800 nits peak brightness. While it won't include Apple's Dynamic Island, it will feature the return of the notch, housing a 12MP true-depth front camera. On the back, Apple is introducing a 48MP wide-angle camera, the same sensor used in the upcoming iPhone 16. This fusion camera will enable high-quality images with 2x optical style zoom via sensor cropping, adding versatility to the SE lineup. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 5 will be powered by the A18 Bionic chip, coupled with 6GB of RAM and a 3279 mAh battery supporting both wired and wireless charging. Apple is also transitioning from an LCD panel to a 6.06-inch Super Retina OLED display, which improves both power efficiency and visual quality. Another exciting development is the introduction of Apple's in-house 5G modem and custom Wi-Fi 7 chip, making the iPhone SE 5 the first device to feature Apple-designed wireless technology. Rumors about a larger iPhone SE 5 Plus have circulated, but at this point, they remain unverified, and it's unlikely that Apple will introduce multiple variants. The iPhone SE 5 is designed to maintain a budget-friendly approach while delivering modern performance, so adding a larger, more expensive model would contradict that strategy. For those eager to see what the iPhone SE 5 will look like, several concept renders have been created to showcase potential designs and color options. While the exact colors remain unknown, these renders provide a realistic idea of the phone's appearance. Overall, the iPhone SE 5 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering modernized design, improved hardware, and enhanced performance, all while maintaining an affordable price. With USB-C support, a powerful A18 chip, a high-quality 48MP camera, and an OLED display, it's an excellent choice for users who want a reliable and fast device without the premium price tag. If you're not concerned about having the absolute latest flagship features, skipping the iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 in favor of the iPhone SE 5 could be a smart move. For those using older SE models, this upgrade offers plenty of compelling reasons to make the switch. With just a few months left until launch, stay tuned for more updates as they become available.